Let us discuss the characterization of a short story, The Last Leaf, written by O. Henry. O. Henry was a writer of short story, and we find there few characters in the whole story, and there are two major characters and two minor characters. Johnsy and Behmen are major characters, Sue and Doctor are minor characters. So let us try to make a character analysis of all of them. Johnsy, she is a young artist from California and she lives with Sue in a studio apartment in Greenwich Village. She has long dreamed of visiting Italy to paint the Bay of Naples. She falls seriously ill with pneumonia and she believes to be dead when the last leaf falls from the vine outside her window. The doctor regards it that her hopelessness and her acceptance of death is the main obstacle to her recovery. This was the thinking of doctor, that no medicine will work if she has accepted death. Sue, she tries her best to cheer her up, but she fails. But when Mr. Behmen, he paints a realistic picture of a realistic painting of leaf onto the wall outside her window, and she is convinced that it was a real leaf. So now Johnsy, she regains her health, but later she is informed by her friend Sue of the death of Behmen, and he has died of pneumonia. Sue, she is also a young artist from Maine. She is very close to Johnsy. She is very caring. She is very caring. Why? As she cooks for her, she cares for her, and even she financially supports her in her illness. When Johnsy was seriously ill, she tries her best to bring her out of depression, bring her out of her hopelessness. Sue is working on a picture for a magazine story, and for that she uses Behmen as a model, and she plans to use that money she will earn to buy food for Johnsy. So it was her planning. The doctor, he is very busy, he is an older man, and he diagnoses Johnsy with mental as well as physical illness. He tells Sue that he cannot help a patient with medicine because Johnsy does not want to get better. So we can say the doctor was a good advisor, as he tells Sue that it depends on Johnsy whether she wants to live or not. But as she had accepted the death, so there was no surety of her life. Then there comes another character, most important character, Behmen. He is an old painter, and we can say that he sacrifices his life for Johnsy, for this young lady. He was an old artist of 60 years old. Behmen, he is an old artist. He is 60 years old. He lives downstairs from Sue and Johnsy, and he has been painting for 4 decades without any commercial success, without any financial profit. But still he hopes to paint what he calls his masterpiece. He is an alcoholic and he earns money by posing as a model for artists in the neighborhood. He goes outside on a cold and rainy night to paint a realistic leaf onto the wall outside the window of Jauncey to save her life. And as a result of this sacrifice, Behmen catches pneumonia and he dies. Sue remarks that he had finally painted his masterpiece. So Behmen sacrificed his life to save the life of Jauncey, and he also fulfilled his desire to paint his masterpiece. So all these were 4 important characters of The Last Leaf.